today's tutorial, I want to show you how to add camera tool in Excel. You can add the camera command into Excel's quick access toolbar to take a screenshot of the Excel's data range or chart, then paste it anywhere you need quickly. Please do the following steps to add the camera tool to Excel's quick access toolbar. Click the File tab, click More, click Options. In the popping out Excel Options dialog, click Quick Access Toolbar and select commands not in the ribbon from the Choose Commands from list. Then scroll down to find the camera command. Click the camera command. Then click Add button to add the camera command to the right command list. Click the OK to close the dialog. Now we can use the camera tool in the Excel Quick Access toolbar. As you can see here, the camera tool is appeared. Thanks for watching and please subscribe for more videos.